Very good morning, everyone. So in last lecture, we have discussed about the vernier scales and what is the principle of vernier scales, and we also solved the question based on the backward vernier scale. So in today's lecture, we are going to solve some numerical based on the forward vernier scale. Okay. So first question is, construct a forward vernier scale of RF is equal to 1 by 2500 and long enough to measure 300 meters. Okay. To show meters, show on this scale a distance of 157 meter. Okay, so same as, first of all, what we have to do, we have to find out the length of scale because RF is already given in the question. So RF is 1 by 2500. Okay, length of scale will be RF into L max. So RF is 2500 into 300 meters. 300 meters again centimeter into centimeter. Okay, so length of scale will come 12 centimeter. Okay, so we have to draw a 12 centimeter long main scale. Okay, let us draw the main scale. So we have drawn a scale of 12 centimeter. So this length is 12 centimeter. And again, this 12 centimeter is representing what is 300 meters. Okay, so we have to denote meters and that to 157. So we can easily we can see that we need 100 meters division. Okay, so first of all we will divide it into three parts because पूरा का जो पूरा स्केल 12 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ है that is representing 300 meter. So I will divide it into three parts such that each division is now representing 100 meters. Okay, now for representing 147 meters, okay, 147 you need 100 meter plus 40 meter plus 7 meter. Okay, मतलब हमें 100 मीटर का डिवीजन भी चाहिए, 10 मीटर का डिवीजन भी चाहिए और 7 मीटर का इंडिविजुअल मीटर का भी डिवीजन चाहिए. सो ये 100 मीटर है. 100 मीटर से इंडिविजुअल मीटर, अगर सॉरी 10 मीटर मुझे मेजर करना है तो 100 मीटर को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे फर्दर 10 पार्ट्स में. ओके, सो अगेन डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू 10 पार्ट्स. ओके, सिमिलरली आपको यू हैव टू डिवाइड होल स्केल इनटू 10 पार्ट्स. पूरा मेन स्केल आपको सेम डिवाइड करना है, सेम है जैसे अभी तक हम लोग बैकवर्ड वर्नियर स्केल के लिए करते हुए आ रहे हैं. ओके, ये सारे डिवीजन इक्वली डिविजिबल होंगे, ये सारे इक्वल डिवीजन है, कीप दैट इन माइंड. मैं रफ ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कमिंग अनइक्वल. ठीक है, so this is our main scale division, main scale we have completed. Now what is this main scale representing? One main scale division is representing what distance? So this main scale division is representing 10 meters. Why? Because whole length was representing 300 meters. मैंने डिवाइड किया इसको 3 पार्ट में, तो ईच डिवीजन 100 मीटर, अगेन 10 पार्ट्स में तो ईच मीटर 10 मीटर. ओके, so main scale division is representing 10 meters, that you can write. Main scale division is representing 10 meter. This is representing not equal to 10 meter. Okay, now you have to draw vernier scale. So back for forward vernier scale, least count is equal to main scale division minus vernier scale division, that we have seen in last lecture. Okay, now again मुझे least count क्या है, because individual meter तक जाना है तो least count will be 1 meter. Okay, इसको मेन स्केल डिवीजन के टर्म्स में लिखना होगा. सो एन, मेन स्केल डिवीजन क्या है, 10 मीटर ओवर एन. फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट एन इज इक्वल टू 10. ओके, सो यहाँ पे पुट करा मेन स्केल डिवीजन के टर्म्स में लीस्ट काउंट को. सो मेन स्केल डिवीजन डिवाइड बाई एन, दैट इज 10, इज इक्वल टू मेन स्केल डिवीजन minus vernier scale division. From here you will get 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. Okay, that means मुझे अब 9 मेन स्केल डिवीजन की लेंथ को कंसिडर करना है, उस लेंथ के इक्वल वर्नियर स्केल बनाना है और उस वर्नियर स्केल को 10 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. ओके, दैट मीन्स व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, 9 मेन स्केल डिवीजन. फॉर एग्जांपल अब मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँगा. ओके, सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ये 10 में से एक को छोड़ दिया. सो दिस इज 9 मेन स्केल डिवीजन. इस लेंथ का we will draw vernier scale. So this is your vernier scale. Okay, now again from here I have to write 0, this is 100, 200, 300. Now we are writing from left to right because this is a forward vernier scale. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then this is 110, 120, 130. Similarly last तक you will continue. Okay, नाउ मुझे इसको कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है, अगेन 10 पार्ट्स में. ठीक है, उससे पहले मुझे ये देखना है, आई वांट टू सी कि व्हाट वन वर्नियर स्केल डिवीजन अगेन रिप्रेजेंटिंग. सो वन वर्नियर स्केल विल रिप्रेजेंट 9 मेन स्केल डिवीजन डिवाइड बाई 10. एक मेन स्केल डिवीजन इज 10 मीटर डिवाइड बाई 10. 10 से 10 कैंसिल, सो एक वर्नियर स्केल विद वन वर्नियर स्केल विल रिप्रेजेंट 9 मीटर. ओके, सेम मुझे लीस्ट काउंट अगर अगेन फाइंड आउट करनी है तो क्या है, मेन स्केल डिवीजन दैट इज 10 मीटर माइनस वर्नियर स्केल डिवीजन दैट इज 9 मीटर, सो 1 मीटर. यही मेरी लीस्ट काउंट थी. ओके, सो अभी तक वट एवर वी आर डूइंग इज करेक्ट. ओके, अब मुझे लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करना है डिवीजन वर्नियर स्केल का. फर्स्ट वन इज 9, देन 18, 27. Okay, this is your 0, 9, 18, 7, 36, 55, 54, 63, 72, 81. There is a slight mistake, that is we have divided it into only 9 parts, that's why it is coming 81. Okay, you have to divide it into 10 parts. Okay, now it is completed. 9, 18, 27, 36, 35, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Okay, वो हम लोगों ने we have divided it only 10 part or 9 parts, that's why it was coming incorrect. Okay, so now we have completed our vernier scale. अब मुझे क्या करना है, we have to represent 157 meter. Next, see how to represent 157 meter. Again same as 157 को मैं expand करूंगा, so it will be 150 plus, sorry, it will be 100 plus 50 plus 7. Out of these three units or number dimensions, 100 meter I can easily represent on main scale. Again 50 meter I can easily represent on main scale, but 7 meter I cannot represent. Why? Because minimum main scale division is 10 meters, so we cannot represent 7 meters. So what we have to match? This 7. Let us say where we are getting 7. So in this scale we are getting 27 here. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 27 from 157. So it will come 130. So what we have done? We have decomposed this 157 into two dimensions. One is 27 meter and another is 130 meter. This 27 meter we will measure on vernier scale. This 130 meter we will measure on main scale. Now in main scale, keep that very carefully in mind that this 10 meter is also there. So don't leave this 10 meter. So from here when we will start, this is 10, again 100, so 110, 120, 130. So this is the 130. Okay, now this is the 27 meter. Up see, we need total 157 meter distance in a single way cut. That means हमें ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि 20 सेंटीमीटर पहले ले लिया हमने, बीच में गैप, फिर 130 सेंटीमीटर. इस डिस्टेंस को आप इजीली कंपास की हेल्प से मेजर नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन नॉट ट्रांसफर दिस डिस्टेंस विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास. वाई? कि आप यहाँ पे क्या होगा, आपने एक एंड कंपास का इधर रखा और एक एंड इधर रखा, इसको मेजर कर लिया कंपास की हेल्प से, यू कैन ट्रांसफर इट इजीली. बट अगर ये डिस्टेंस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, बीच में गैप है, तब आप इसको इजीली ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते. या तो आपको करना होगा दो बार में ट्रांसफर करना होगा, पहले ये फिर ऐसे. ओके, सो उससे बेटर हम लोग क्या करते हैं उसके लिए, फॉर दैट instead of defining this 20 centimeter from the first half, from here we just measure the division 1 2 3 out. These three division is length is represented 20 centimeter. That division we take from back side. So 1 2 3. So out of from this distance will represent 27 meter. Okay, so in this way we can easily represent total 150 centimeter 157 meter in single length. So this is my 157 meter. Okay, so this is now we have completed the question. So basically it is almost similar to the backward vernier scale. The major difference is here we are writing the distance units from left to right. Okay, and again this dimension on vernier scale we are measuring on the basis of division, not on the basis of this written unit. Okay, that's it. So next we'll try to solve one more question on the basis of forward vernier scale quickly. Okay, so here again RF is given and Lmax is given, so you can easily find length of scale. It will be 1 by 40,000 into 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer means 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter. Okay, so I have to make a main scale of 15 centimeter long. So let me draw this question. I'm going to be a little bit quick because now you know how to draw the vernier scale. So this is your 15 centimeter. Okay, this 15 centimeter is representing what? 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer. So again, कितने पार्ट में? 6 part. I have to divide it. This is your 6 equal parts. Okay, so each individual division is representing 1 kilometer. Now see what we have to represent. This is 3.36, means we have to represent 3 kilometer plus 0.3 kilometer plus 0.06 किलोमीटर. मीन्स आपको एक इंडिविजुअल किलोमीटर भी रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा स्केल में, इंडिविजुअल हेक्टोमीटर भी रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा और इंडिविजुअल डेकामीटर भी रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा स्केल में. ओके, सो इंडिविजुअल किलोमीटर वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिप्रेजेंटेड व्हेन वी हैव डिवाइडेड दिस इनटू 6 पार्ट. इंडिविजुअल हेक्टोमीटर रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए यू हैव टू again divide it into individual 10 parts. So okay, similarly this whole scale will be divided into, all the division will be divided into 10 parts. See, I am dividing it in a rough way. That's why these all are not equal division. Okay, similarly here also 10 division, here also 10 division. Okay, that you can draw. So this have completed the main scale. Now a single one main scale division is representing what? 0.1 kilometer. Okay, let me write it somewhere else because यहाँ पर डायमेंशन लिखनी होगी हमें. So one main scale division is representing 0.1 kilometer. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 6, and 0.9 or 87. Okay, again 1.1, 1.2, and so on. Okay, now next step is to find out vernier scale. So for that we have to find out least count. Least count is, हमने अभी देखा, so minimum distance is decameter. So least count will be in terms of kilometer will be 0.01 kilometer. Okay, again if you want to write in terms of main scale division is 0.1 kilometer divided by n. So from here n will be 10. So for forward vernier scale least count will be MSD minus BSD. Forward vernier scale is in terms of MSD by 10 is equal to main scale division minus vernier scale division. From here again you will get 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. Okay, so again आपको 9 मेन स्केल डिवीजन की लेंथ लेनी है, उस पर वर्नियर स्केल ड्रॉ करना है, उस वर्नियर स्केल को 10 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. अगेन वन वर्नियर स्केल डिवीजन विल रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट? 9 मेन स्केल डिवीजन बाय 10 डिस्टेंस. एक मेन स्केल डिवीजन कितनी डिस्टेंस रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? 0.1 किलोमीटर. ओके, अभी हमने देखा यार एक मेन स्केल डिवीजन 0.1 किलोमीटर रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो डिवाइड बाय 10, it will come what? 9 into 0.1 divided by 10, 0.09 kilometer. Okay, so first of all 9 division from here. This is the 9 division. Draw vernier scale. Again, first is 0.09, then next is 0.18, okay, next is 0.27, then 0.36, 0.45, 0.54, 0.63, 0.72, 0.81, 0.9. Okay, so 0.27, 0.36, 45, 0.54, 0.63, 0.72, 0.81, 0.9. Okay, so this we have completed the vernier scale. Now let us see what we have to represent. We have to first of all represent 3.36. So 3.36 kilometer. Again, you can write it 3 kilometer plus 0.3 kilometer plus 0.06 kilometer. Out of these 3 kilometer you can represent individual with the help of individual kilometer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can easily represent 0.3 kilometer. Each single division of main scale is representing 0.1 kilometer. So 0.3 kilometer you can easily represent on main scale. The remaining distance is 0.06. This you cannot represent on the main scale. So for that you have to check where this 0.06 is we are getting in this scale. So here you will get 0.06 on 0.36. So just subtract 3.36 and 1.36. Okay, so you will get 3.00. Okay, so out of this 3.36 I will read 0.36 on vernier scale and I will read 3 meter on main scale. Okay, so again 3 meter. Now again I am telling you this, be very careful. Do not forget this 10, this 0.1, this 10th division always. This is your 0.1. Now after this 0.1 you have to add only 2.9 for 3. Okay, so last we will not go up to 4 because we need only 2.9. Okay, so this is your 3 kilometer. Okay, again 34, oh sorry, 0.36 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ready, 4 division. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From back side 4 division will represent what? 0.36. So combining these two distances will give me the whole distance that will represent 3.36 meter. That's it. So this is the way how we have to tackle the forward vernier scale questions. Okay, next you have to represent yourself 0.69. Again here you will not be able to represent 0.09 kilometer. So 0.09 is coming where? This first one. Okay, so you will subtract 0.09 and remaining distance you will represent main scale and 0.09 will represent on the vernier scale. That's it. So this is the complete forward vernier scale. So we have completed the whole vernier scale. In next lecture we are going to discuss about the comparative scale. Okay, thank you.